Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Oracle Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Oracle Cloud account, start by visiting the Oracle Cloud website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the home page. If you already have an Oracle account, enter your credentials. For new users, click on Try Oracle Cloud Free. Fill out the required information on the registration form. This includes your name, email address, and phone number. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Choose a strong password that meets Oracle's security requirements. Review and accept the terms of service by checking the box. Click on Create Account to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email from Oracle. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Oracle Cloud website and click on Sign In again. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Oracle Cloud dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Activate button for your service. Choose the specific Oracle Cloud service you wish to activate. Follow the prompts to set up your cloud resources. You may need to select a data center region based on your preferences. Review the configuration settings before finalizing your activation. Click on Activate Service to complete the process. Your Oracle Cloud service is now activated and ready for use. Take a moment to explore the available features and tools within the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.